Hi, my name is Chris and I'm going to teach you about the Cricut and Cricut Design Space. Today we have with us the Cricut Explorer Air 2. This Cricut machine will allow you to cut on cardstock, vinyl, and some soft leather. Today I'm going to show you how to do a basic cut using your Cricut Design Space. The first thing you want to make sure you do is that you've got power to your Cricut and that you're either connected Wi-Fi or USB cable, depending on how you're going to run it. So to turn on your Cricut, you're going to hit this power button. Your Cricut's going to make a noise, and that's just all the gears turning on. Then you will open your Cricut. Once your Cricut's open, then you can start creating and designing through your Cricut Design Space on your computer. Once you have your Cricut turned on and you're ready to start your cut, you'll go into your Cricut Design Space. Your Cricut Design Space is software that comes with your Cricut cutting machine. You will have step-by-step instructions on how to download and install this software. Once you're ready to create a project, you'll go up here and hit New Project. The screen will open up with all these little grids. This is your cutting mat space. Today I'm going to show you just a simple basic cut on cardstock. So I'm going to use an image that's already installed into the program. Here you'll click on Image, then up in your search engine you can just type in what you're wanting to cut. I'm just going to do a flower. Once your designs open up, you can scroll through and pick what you want. I'm just going to pick this little one. It's going to pop up down here. You're going to add to canvas. Once your image has been added to your canvas, you can size it to the size that you want. Today we're going to work with a 12 by 12 cutting mat, so you do not want your image to exceed the 12 by 12 measurements. Once you have your design set to the size that you want, you can go up here and click Make It. At this point, it's going to connect to your Cricut machine so that it knows what it needs to cut. I've already added the cardstock to the 12 by 12 cutting mat. These are sticky back mats that you use over again. Okay, now that we have our design picked out, we have our product we want to cut it on, it's time to feed the machine to create our design. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your dial is set to the correct material. We are using cardstock, so I'm going to turn this dial all the way over to cardstock. Then I'm going to hit Continue, and my computer is going to sync up with the machine now. Once it has done that, you're going to get a flashing arrow. That is your feeder arrow. You have two guides right here on the inside of your machine. You simply just put the mat underneath the two guides up against the wheel, and you're going to hit the arrow button. And then once it is recognized and ready, the Cricut icon is going to flash. At this point, you can hit that, and the machine is going to start cutting your design. Now that our design has been cut and we see that we're at 100% with no errors, the arrow is going to flash for us to release our project. So you simply push that, it will kick it back out. Your project is now on the mat. To remove it, you just pop the corner and carefully pull away, and you have cut yourself a flower. Once you are finished, you will go to your computer and click Finish. And if you are done, you can simply get rid of that and continue on with a new project. The Cricut has many things to offer. Not only is it a cutting device, but you can also cut and make shirts and cups and other things, and those will be demonstrated at a later time. Thank you.